Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. On the 29th of December 2022, Detective Brett Payne of the Moscow Police Department signed under penalty of perjury the warrant affidavit asking that an arrest warrant be issued for Mr. Kohberger concerning the events that occurred at 1122 King Road in Moscow, Idaho, on November 13th, 2022. Based on Detective Payne's submission, Judge Megan E. Marshall found probable cause and issued a warrant for Mr. Kohberger's arrest. Also on December 29th, 22, and one day later across the country in Pennsylvania, Mr. Kohberger was arrested for the crimes at 1122 King Road. Fast forward to January 23rd, 2025. At hearings regarding motions to suppress in Idaho versus Kohberger, Mr. Kohberger's defense counsel asked a series of questions of Detective Payne, who was on the stand that day in Judge Stephen J. Hippler's courtroom regarding the events leading up to the issuance of warrants relative to Mr. Kohberger. He was asked words to the effect of, when did the Moscow Police Department first become aware of Mr. Kohberger as a suspect in the case? And Detective Payne testified that it was the evening of December 19th, 2022, at a Teams hearing when Mr. Kohberger's name was brought up for the very first time, and that he was not even on law enforcement's radar before then. The Idaho State Police, who was heavily involved in the case, they processed the crime scene, conducted interviews of various parties, and also the Idaho State Police Forensic Services Lab is who tested, at Moscow Police Department's request, various items of physical evidence that Moscow Police Department submitted, with Sergeant Dustin Blaker named as the submitting MPD official. One particular document from the Idaho State Police records released to the public following closure of the case in July of 2025 reflected the fact that Mr. Kohberger was a suspect a full 2 weeks before Detective Payne stated he was. As we see on documentation from the ISP, his name is listed here as suspect number 2, unredacted, December 5th, 2022. The Idaho State Police issued a press release indicating that Mr. Kohberger's name on that form of December 5th, 2022 was the subject of some type of a glitch, a clerical error within the system, for all intents and purposes denying that he was a suspect on December 5th, 2022. But they have not explained why, after his arrest, his name that appears on documentation December 5th, 2022 was now added a second time, the only difference being a slight difference in his name with his middle given here. And that in all further documentation from the Idaho State Police, it wasn't the second name, second suspect line that was eliminated from further documentation. It was the third suspect that was eliminated. So therefore, the name that appeared on December 5th, 2022 continued to appear on ISP documentation after Mr. Kohberger's arrest, not the second time his name was apparently input into the system. If you have any thoughts, any comments, any opinions regarding this matter, please leave them here. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.